Imagine a landscape bathed in the golden light of a Mediterranean sunrise. Ancient, gnarled olive trees, their silver-green leaves shimmering in the gentle breeze. For thousands of years, these groves have been the source of something truly remarkable, a cornerstone of civilizations and a secret to long, healthy lives. Welcome to Purely Healthy Food. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the profound secrets of one of nature's most precious gifts, extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just any cooking oil. Affectionately called liquid gold since the time of Homer, it's a vibrant, living food, bursting with flavor and packed with health-promoting compounds that have been revered for millennia. It's a substance so vital it has shaped cultures, economies, and cuisines across the globe. But in a world filled with countless choices and confusing health claims, what makes this ancient elixir stand out? What's the real science behind its reputation? It's more than just a simple kitchen ingredient. It's a complex powerhouse of powerful antioxidants and heart-protecting monounsaturated fats. In this video, we'll travel from the sun-drenched groves to your kitchen table. We'll explore its rich history, demystify the science behind its benefits for your heart, brain, and overall vitality, and show you how to choose a high-quality bottle. We'll even share simple, delicious ways to incorporate it into your meals. So get ready to transform your understanding of this incredible superfood. Let's explore exactly why you should make extra virgin olive oil a delicious and indispensable part of your daily diet. Extra virgin olive oil, often called EVO, is made by cold pressing fresh olives without using chemicals or heat. This natural process keeps all the nutrients, flavors, and antioxidants intact, unlike refined oils. It's the purest and healthiest form of olive oil available. We've journeyed through its history and the science behind its creation. Now let's delve into the heart of why extra virgin olive oil is celebrated worldwide. Its profound, science-backed health benefits. This isn't just a cooking ingredient, it's a daily investment in your long-term well-being. We'll explore 8 key areas where this liquid gold truly shines. First, and perhaps most famously, heart health. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, is consistently linked to lower rates of cardiovascular disease, and for good reason. The star player is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that makes up over 70% of olive oil. It actively works to lower levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, while maintaining or even boosting HDL, the good cholesterol that helps clear arteries. But it doesn't stop there. The powerful antioxidants in EVO, particularly its polyphenols, prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, a crucial first step in the formation of arterial plaques. This dual action of managing cholesterol and preventing plaque buildup makes it a formidable ally in protecting your heart and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Second, its anti-inflammatory power. Chronic inflammation is a silent driver behind many modern ailments, from arthritis to heart disease. Extra virgin olive oil contains a unique phenolic compound called oleocanthal. You can actually feel it working. It's what creates that peppery sensation in the back of your throat. Remarkably, studies have shown that oleocanthal exhibits anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen, albeit in a much gentler, more natural way. While it won't replace medication for acute pain, the consistent daily consumption of oleocanthal-rich olive oil helps to systemically lower chronic inflammation, protecting your body from the inside out. Third, let's talk about brain health. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, so the types of fat you consume are critical for its function. The healthy monounsaturated fats in olive oil are essential for maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes. Furthermore, the same anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that protect your heart also protect your brain. By reducing inflammation and combating oxidative stress, EVO helps defend against age-related cognitive decline. Emerging research suggests that compounds in olive oil may even help clear the beta amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease, making it a key food for lifelong cognitive vitality. Fourth on our list is for glowing skin and healthy hair. Beauty truly does come from within. Olive oil is packed with fat-soluble vitamin E and other powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage, a primary cause of premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. These nutrients help protect skin cells, maintain elasticity, and promote a hydrated, youthful glow. When consumed, it nourishes your body's largest organ from the inside. The same benefits extend to your hair, with the healthy fats and vitamins contributing to stronger follicles, reduced breakage, and a natural, vibrant shine. Number 5. Improve digestion and gut health. A happy gut is central to overall wellness. Olive oil acts as a gentle, natural lubricant for the digestive tract, which can help ease constipation and promote regularity. More importantly, its polyphenols have a positive effect on your gut microbiome. They act as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and have been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful pathogens like Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium linked to stomach ulcers and other issues. A balanced microbiome doesn't just mean better digestion, it's linked to improved mood, stronger immunity, and overall health. Sixth, a boost for your immunity. Your immune system is your body's frontline defense, and olive oil provides it with crucial support. The healthy fatty acids are vital for the function and development of immune cells. The potent antioxidants, especially hydroxytyrosol, help protect these cells from damage, ensuring they are ready to fight off invaders. By reducing chronic inflammation, olive oil also frees up your immune system's resources to focus on genuine threats like bacteria and viruses, rather than being bogged down in a constant state of low-grade alert. Seventh, and this may surprise some, is its role in weight management. It seems counterintuitive to eat fat to lose weight, but the right kind of fat is key. The rich, satisfying nature of olive oil promotes a feeling of satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. This can naturally lead to reduced overall calorie intake by curbing unhealthy cravings and between-meal snacking. Furthermore, by helping to regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, it prevents the energy crashes that often lead us to reach for sugary, high-calorie foods. When used to replace less healthy fats, EVOO is a powerful tool in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Finally, number 8, promoting longevity. When you combine all these benefits, a protected heart, a sharp mind, reduced inflammation, a resilient immune system, and a healthy metabolism, the result is a powerful recipe for a longer, healthier life. The world's blue zones, regions where people live exceptionally long and healthy lives, almost all feature olive oil as a dietary staple. It's not a magic bullet, but a foundational element of a lifestyle that combats the chronic diseases of aging, allowing you to not just live longer, but to live better. Now that we understand the incredible benefits of extra virgin olive oil, let's explore how to seamlessly weave this liquid gold into your daily life. Its versatility extends far beyond the kitchen, offering simple yet powerful ways to enhance your meals and wellness routines. The most impactful way to enjoy EVOO is as a finishing oil. This is where its complex, fruity, and peppery notes truly shine. Drizzle it generously over fresh salads, hearty soups right before serving, or freshly cooked vegetables. A simple stream of high-quality oil can transform a basic dish into a gourmet experience, adding a layer of flavor and a powerful nutrient boost. Think beyond the drizzle. Add a tablespoon to your morning smoothie. It creates a wonderfully creamy texture and helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the fruits and greens. It's also the heart and soul of countless dips and sauces. Use it to create a classic hummus, a vibrant pesto, or a simple vinaigrette. The oil acts as an emulsifier, bringing all the ingredients together in perfect harmony. When it comes to cooking, you can absolutely replace butter or other vegetable oils with extra virgin olive oil for most everyday applications. It's excellent for sautéing vegetables, pan-searing fish, or roasting. While you might use a more economical olive oil for cooking, a good quality EVOO is surprisingly stable due to its high antioxidant content. And its benefits aren't just internal. For a natural approach to beauty, apply a few drops on your skin as a potent moisturizer, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. It can also be used to tame frizz and add shine to your hair, acting as a nourishing, chemical-free serum. To maximize the health benefits, especially from its delicate polyphenols, prioritize using it raw or with gentle, low to medium heat. Avoid deep frying with your best finishing oils, as extreme temperatures can degrade their nutritional profile and nuanced flavors. A daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons is a great target for reaping its protective rewards. To keep your olive oil fresh and potent, store it in a dark glass bottle, away from sunlight and heat. When buying, look for labels that say cold-pressed and extra virgin. Avoid cheap blended oils. They often lose the real benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a daily dose of wellness. A spoon a day keeps your heart, skin, and mind healthy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Purely Healthy Food, and share it with someone who loves natural living.